Way they go. Lovable Frances. Join account. Brushing up classical with Levy. Tiger Rapid Doomstead alongside Dugus Right Matter of Honor in between runners. Second last sa team live in Manila is the early trailer. Levy, Join account. Classical bid. Lovable Frances, Matter of Honor is racing in between runners. Doomstead racing 6 by about 2 lengths. Tiger Rafi rounding the far turn. Levy by about 2 lengths. Classical bid is running in second. Lovable Frances in between runners. Matter of Honor, Join account. Doomstead, Tiger Rafi, Dugus Pride Lazarsim as they race the final corner. Levy, Classical bid is now the leader. Lovable Frances on the outside. Matter of Honor and nearing the finish line. Classical bid this time by about 4 lengths. Levy, Lovable Frances, Tiger Rafi and nearing the finish line, the favorite Classical bid. Second, Lovable Frances, Levy, Tiger Rafi, and for your Fentafecta number 8, Doomstead.
7-10-6.
7-10-6-2-8.
7-10-6.